Pattaya, and this is the last day of Songkran. The streets are packed. Everybody's riding around with their trucks and water guns and getting sprayed. Yeah, and we about to enter all of this. Kids are outside, families are outside. And we finally are back. You ready to get wet? You getting wet?
Ooh.
Hmm?
Wow.
Never mind.
My nigga.
Ready.
Oy.
Thank you. Hey, they about to get hurt for real today, y'all. Guys, we are currently looking for something to protect our phones. Oh shit. It's nobody's safe here. If the camera, we only on my street. My street is calm too. As we get to walking in Soy 6, it's over. I said we in trouble. Nah, this a little PT. Nah, this little PT shooter ain't doing nothing, y'all. This little PP shooter ain't doing nothing, y'all. I gotta find my tribe though. Oh, look, that's. Woo! We got the same thing though. Even the police officers getting the guns. Oh, that shit cold. Aww. The police officer's on duty and he picking up a water gun. Hey y'all, ain't nobody safe. Little homie gotta get it too. So we finally chilling out a little bit. We about to kick it with a couple of the homies. We got the tribe over there eating, doing their thing. My hands is already wrinkly. We ain't even partake in everything yet. But this is what we came here for. This is what we doing. You guys, you gotta know what time it is. It is the last day. It's just different. Oh yeah, hot water. Yeah, shout out to you, bro, yeah. I appreciate the hot water, Brody. That's your shit. Yeah. It take a long. Damn. It's super cold. He's spraying with a PP. Wow. Okay. Oh. Y'all, I got superpowers with this. Look at the beach. The beach is finally near. We're finally near home. Maybe you can fill it up with ocean water. Since you didn't want to be a shooter anyways. I told her I got her back, she got my back, y'all. She didn't have my back. She said she got my back, y'all.
Actually, she got back.
I believe it.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got your back.
Okay, you got my back. Oh, look at the sunset. Yeah. This is Thailand, everyone. Yeah, because I won't hesitate. We're going to spray him with that blocker. Woman. Wow. There you have it, you guys. Songkran is almost over. It's been an amazing time, hasn't it? I'm your host, COOLDMG, aka everybody nervous because I got this. I'm not gonna shoot them with this though, it's too tough. I'm not. I love Eastern music.
I hope I didn't take it for granted.
Never say never. This place is so diverse. If you want to spend time with Big Kuda, all you gotta do is hit me up. Whoa. Wow. Okay, you guys, we almost by the we're almost about to turn near my house. So we about to go out of the beach. Bam! Spray that boy. Hold this real quick. I'm about to pop him in his. Oh my fucking gosh.
What?
That's the ocean water. He's spraying salt water in people's eyes. Oh my god. Everybody is about love, you know. Happy New Year. Yes, the New Year is actually in the spring. Hold this, cause you gonna want it. Turn around. because of the sound. But God, yeah! It's amazing out here. I love this, you guys. I freaking love this. Got the hair out today. Got the big mamba pole. Oh, wonder. That wraps it up for now. Y'all know if y'all want to see more, you gotta just subscribe. We're probably gonna have a vlog here in a couple days. I'm your man, Big Cooler, aka COOLDMG. Thank you. Thank you, Soul Trap, for joining us. It's time to go to the water. I know the beach water is really warm right now, and I want that. Everybody it's about love, you know. Happy New Year.
Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. You heard what she said.